110 octane, 17:1 compression ratio, and gonna give this a shot. does not break the Raminator. As you can see, guys, there she is in her splendor, the fiberglass body Raminator. Alright, so the body isn't 100% finished, obviously. There's no paint on it. There's some sanding I gotta do. Not a lot of sanding, but some sanding. But definitely a lot of cleanup work I still gotta do. Like right here along this edge, it's not exactly as nice as I want it to be. And obviously I gotta finish cutting here and here. The fenders need a little bit of cleanup. I mean, I cleaned them up a lot, but it's not as even and uniformed as I would like it to be. At least the front ones. The back ones are pretty good. You know. Alright, guys. So you can see, like I said, fiberglass body takes a little bit of love and care to get to where you need it to be. Obviously, you don't have to do this if you aren't a perfectionist, or you know, are just gonna slap some paint on it and do it. But if you have divots, cracks in the glass, you know, spots that are low, you're gonna have to fill them. And I use this auto body icing, and as you can see, we're skimming over the whole entire truck. This is just a cab. Still gotta do the tailgate. So for a lot of you, this is just way too much work, and you just spend the $100 and some just to have the Lexan body, and I get it. But as you can see, I filled over these holes. They're gonna have to be re-drilled out. Reason being is I didn't like how deep the holes were when pulled from the mold. So obviously, if you don't like that, or if you don't care, that's fine. But if you don't like that, you're gonna have to fill in and then re-drill out. I got a lot more sanding I gotta do. So it's fill, sand, fill, sand, fill, sand until you get it to where you want it. This is my own personal truck. So this is, you know, obviously, like, You know, there was some low spots up here had to be filled in. I mean, when you pull the glass, it's not perfect. It's rough. Now you could run it like that. You could put a body wrap on it and call it a day. You could throw some paint on it and call it a day. Or if you want something a little bit better finished product, and then in this case, like for you guys, like, you know, I put this on YouTube, so I wanted a little bit better finished product. So we are going the extra steps to make sure this body is good. Now, whether all this filler will hold up to all the bashing I'm going to do, that's another thing coming. But we are slowly getting there.